Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So as we all know, yesterday NIACL assistant mains state-wise cutoff was out, and also the scorecard was also out, but we were not able to view it because of some error. So now you can see it is active now, the link. And one more thing, so as you can see, it is not available in the web interface. Just only I checked my result in my mobile, so I was able to view my scores of each section. So as you can see here, I have putted my roll number and DOB here. And in English section I attempted 36 and I got 35.63, and in reasoning I attempted 21 questions and I got 21.56, and in quants I attempted 21 questions and I got 24.69, and in computer section I attempted 35 questions and I got 40.63, and in general awareness I think I attempted only 9 questions and my overall marks is 133.45. I think I made many mistakes in general awareness section this time. So as you can see, you can check your scores now, and I will attach the link in the description so that you can check your results. And as I already told you, it is not showing in the website. You can check it in your mobile only. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos and update like this. Follow Bankingspark.